In this training video, we're going to be talking about executable step number 7, and that is creating a marketing ad. You can create a flyer as well as email your buyers information about this property because obviously we need to get it sold. So over on the left-hand side, you're going to see the buyer type. Is this an investor ad, a qualified buyer ad, a lease option seller finance, or do you want to just create your own custom ad? In this example, we'll use an investor ad. So here I found a property maybe that I want to wholesale. I can come up and choose a headline that we already have here, or you can simply type it in the box. I'm going to go over and select the property type. I could choose repairs. We'll say minor repairs, and then some features about this particular property. I could scroll down, finish out this ad, and we'll put in 2000. Now, if I save this ad, I have the option just to go ahead and view this particular ad. You might want to copy and paste and put this in maybe Craigslist, or maybe you want to put it on Zillow, whatever you want to use this particular ad for, social media, just copy and paste. You can also create a flyer from this particular ad. So I can select pictures. I unfortunately only have one, but I do want to show you how to do this. You can obviously add pictures from here. And down below, you could put in your contact information. We'll put that at the bottom of the flyer. I can then hit save. Now, I can print this flyer up here at the top, or I could download this flyer and of course get a flyer box and put it out there. So we're helping to make your job easier by crafting the ad that's going to sell this particular property. Now let's go up and actually go to our buyers. So any buyers that you have saved to REIPro that might fit this particular property, you would want to do that. I can also filter my buyer types by the type of buyer. So if I had an investor, I would then search for my investor ads. In this particular case, I don't have any saved, but of course you would. I could then email my buyers information about this. Now, you also have the ability to select any kind of templates. So if I have a standard email template that I'd like to use that I send to all buyers, create a template. It's going to just create a nice shortcut for you. I can then go to add an attachment, and I can go ahead and post my investor ad from here along with any other attachments you see fit. I can then now send this email. So not only can we create the ad in step 7, we can create a flyer as well as email all of our buyers all in one place. So I hope this training video helped and look forward to seeing you on the next one.